What's the meaning of combats? Combats. Combats.
Combats. Combats. Combats is a verb that means to fight or oppose something, usually in a physical or military sense. It can also refer to the act of trying to prevent or eliminate something negative, such as a disease or social problem. When someone combats something, they are actively working to counteract it or overcome it. This could involve using force or violence in the case of physical combat, or employing various strategies and tactics in the case of combating a non-physical problem. Ultimately, the goal of combating something is to achieve victory or resolution.